guys, welcome to the channel. Get some sudden with pies. Look at me new hat. I look chavvy today, I don't know. Right, I bought this because it's absolutely scorching and we're going on a boat trip. We need you to come with us. Come on, let's go. So guys, we're on the boat. We're going to go on this boat trip. We're in Protaras and we're taking it from the pier at the end of Protaras Beach. And we're going to go up towards Varosha, have a quick look in the distance there. I don't know if we'll be able to capture it on camera. And then we're coming back down the coast, round to Cape Grekko, round to the Blue Lagoon where everybody jumps off the boat and goes swimming. Apart from me, because I might try and do a little bit of drone footage from the sky. How do you like my floppy hat? Does it suit my shirt? If not, it don't mind, it's protecting me. It is roasting here guys, absolutely roasting. Been about 31, 32 degrees in the shade, about 38 in the sun. So on a boat, it's going to be warmer, it's going to be hotter. Let's go and see some sights, come on.
Some of the Greek Cypriots who had fled from Varosha have been allowed to view the town.
So guys, in the distance you can see Varosha, which is what's known as the ghost town in Cyprus. This is on the northern side, which is currently occupied by Turkey, who flew paratroopers and tanks and bombed the city in 1974 when they successfully invaded the island and took almost 40% of the land, which is what's now known as Northern Cyprus. So guys, we've got Sarah behind us. So get the boat from Protaras, take you up to Varosha where you can see the ghost town. They'll give you a talk on the tower and they'll bring you down past Protaras, Big Tree Bay, Cape Grekko, get a swim in the Blue Lagoon, you get to dive with turtles, and it's a brilliant trip. Just come and join them, absolutely brilliant. It's the Aphrodite cruises from Protaras. Come and join them on the trip, absolutely brilliant value for money. €15, 2.5 hours. So guys, this is Ahmed. Say something, Ahmed.
A king of Cyprus.
King of Cyprus.
Yeah. both here and that Aphrodite cruises.
Yeah.
We are ready to do special service for nice people.
Special service just for you. Come and have a cruise with these people.
Yes.
Drink a lot of drink.
Yeah.
Get in the sea, have a swim. Somebody might chuck you a bottle of shower gel. They did, mate. And enjoy yourself. I'll see you on the next adventure.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Got ya. Victoria, thank you very much for the journey.
You're always welcome.
See you soon. See you next year.
Happy New Year.
Bye.